Good afternoon. I'm watching Chelsea, my girl Chelsea. Hold on, let me pause for right quick. Okay, so as y'all can see by the title, we're doing a DIY business shoot today. I've been wanting to do a business shoot for the longest, but I just haven't had I ain't had it. So instead of me waiting for somebody to do it, I'm gonna do it myself. I have all the stuff that you need to actually do the photo shoot. And then I just went to go get like a little piece of paper for a backdrop. So I'm gonna take y'all through this whole thing with me. Hopefully it turns out right. But if it doesn't, then it's gonna be a learning lesson for y'all. At least y'all don't gotta mess up. But yeah, so first I'm doing my hair. I was gonna straighten it and just wear my little bob, but I think I'm gonna just put it in a ponytail because it has a lot of product in it right now. And I really don't feel like washing my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna just do a ponytail swoop and then yeah. So I'll be back. I'm done with my makeup for the most part. I was gonna do it at the house, right? Hear me out. I was gonna do it at the house, like in here, cause I feel like I have good lighting in my house. So I was gonna do it right here, and bring my softbox lights home. However, all of my stuff that I need for the actual shoot is at the suite, so I might as well just take the little things that are still here to the suite and just do it at the suite. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have lashes at the suite, so I'm gonna put those on when I get there. And then yeah, but this is the hair. I got a little bun, and then yeah, and this is the makeup. So when I finish putting my my lip combo's in the car, when I finish doing everything, I'll come back on camera. But yeah, y'all gonna see everything. Just hold on, give me a second. I made it to the suite. I made it to the suite. Now I'm just grabbing everything that I need. I gotta be careful because I got some light bulbs in one of these bags for my softbox lights that I got. And then yeah, so let's see how this shoot about to come out. I hope it come out cute for real. I got my little paper. And some tape. Because we doing this on a budget. So far, only thing I done spent was the paper was $5.99 and the tape was $1.33. Okay, I didn't show y'all this, but somebody gave me this couch right here, so I put it in here. I need to clean it, but it's kind of in the way, actually. You know what? I could use this little space right here. And it's already white, so that'll be good. Going some final touches on my face. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get the softbox lights and stuff out and ready. I'm excited. I need to shut up. Oh, this is pretty. So I just put this orange. This is really how it looks. Like that's low light. And I just literally put it like right on top of where I put the contour. The blush. The highlighter. It's giving a pretty little, like it's not too much, but it's that girl, you know what I mean? Okay, so now I'm about to set up my softbox lights. I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. top to ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Okay, so the pictures are coming out nice. I feel like I feel like the light is fine. I do feel like there's like a shadow. I feel like there's a shadow, right? However, my softbox light is not softboxing right now. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's old. And I haven't used these things in forever, but they used to be way brighter than that. I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna keep on taking pictures. I'm gonna use my props. So my gloves, my tweezers, and my extraction tools. Where it is? That wavage with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. They grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I? Am I in frame? Yes. Okay. And I feel like I could push it up a little bit. Am I still in frame? Is it low?
No, it's like here.
So like, do I need to put it up?
No, it's fine. No. Okay.
Put it back down?
Put it back down, yeah. For this.
Like that? I don't know. We gotta fix it. That should smell this way. It's my bang. It's on this side.
Okay. Okay.
Just hit that. Right here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, it's it. Let me see. The juice like.
I was trying to tell you to put it like this.
Okay. Let's see. Lens bud. Fix my scrubs.
They wrinkled?
Them tight, like. Okay, let's see. I was so confused.
That's cute though. That's really good. But if it's not crooked,
I need a I need to stop twisting my body. I like this picture. That one.
yeah.
But I'm gonna do the ones where I'm actually holding it myself.
You should miss the moment. You just too annoying. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do.
It's so bad. It's so bad. It's so bad. It's so
Directed by
bad.
me.
Oh, you can't. All right, so we back in the car because obviously we finished. It was a wrap. I got some really good pictures. I can't wait to edit them. Oh my god, I'm excited. I finally did this shit because it was time. It was time. But I'm about to go home, go through the pictures, edit them, and then start working on my website. But yeah, it was nice working with y'all. Let me know if y'all try this same old thing that I did. I swear, I had looked all over the internet to see if I seen anybody that did this, and I ain't seen nobody do it. So I'm gonna show y'all the final pictures or the final results of my pictures once I get home and edit them. Yeah, that's it, right? Yeah, once I get home and edit them, I'm gonna show y'all the final results, and then yeah, we're gonna go from there. But thanks so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if I helped you out. Don't be a hater. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.